costume, nice start. Kung hindi ako marunong sumayaw ng contemporary ballet, hindi ko iisipin ko yung first four na nag-start, isa silang professional dancers. Kasi, hindi, galing, na-impress ako. Kasi, then, yung concept nila sa dance is parang diversions of dances, which is good. And one more thing, si Steph, I remember to si Steph last time nung screening sila, sobrang galing niya. And sobrang na-amaze ako until now. Kasi sumasabay talaga siya sa mga lalaki. Yun lang. Thank you guys. Good work.
Okay. Okay, for me. Audience, quiet. Guys, settle down. Okay. So for me, just like you said, Len, I really like your dance concept. Yung ballet, combination of ballet and hip hop, and all that. So I really appreciate it. So very good. Para nga mga professional kasi yung line of dance ninyo, although medyo baluktot, pero yung totality, pag tinignan kayo, okay siya. So that's good. And then I enjoy watching you guys. Diba?
Thank you, Ma.
Meron ako makikita mga estudyante ko dyan na talagang nung estudyante ko pa lang, sabi ko, ito magaling magsiyaw to si Bobier eh. Kasi Kenneth, ang gwapo mo pag sumasayaw. I wonder why. Congrats.
I wonder why.
Okay. Nice. Very entertaining ang performance. Yung sa first four, please work out in your lines. Konti pa. And mag-thank you kay Steph kasi mukhang sinunod na yung sinabi ko last time na kuhanin mo, kailangan parang ikaw din sila. Yun. Thank you.